All right, lesson number 36 of 100 in the Jazz Violin series. I want to give you an exercise. I did this previously and I went too long in the video. I'm going to cut it off on the previous one. So I'll do it separately here. I don't want anybody to sit around too long and get bored. So, see if I can get my knees up and do this. I want you to do this exercise with me. This is going to deepen your sense of rhythm and hardwire your brain to be a better musician. Follow me on this. Okay. Get my ab workout here. Hold my knees up. This lesson came to me through Brian Bromberg, the late slide guitarist. He was a great educator as well, and gave this rhythm I thought was excellent, and my students have benefited from it immensely. And other band members have I made this do this. So, triplets, but two hands. What do we do? So it's a concept we can't really intellectualize too much, but we also have to feel. So especially classical musicians and even bluegrass musicians who are a lot of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 in their music, they're not too much swing. They'll be helped by this. So I get comfortable. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's what I want you to do. Right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we got two things going on. Keep relax in. Follow with me. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We also have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Understand so far? Now, if you can't do that right away, that's okay. Some of my students couldn't do it as they try to go left, right, left, left, and they mess up because they're so right dominant or left dominant they have to start with the hand. No, it's a right-left brain thing. So, I get my feet up here again. So I do it on one knee, I guess. And do it as slow as need to be at first. 1, 2, 3. Think it through if you can't do it. Not until you get faster. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's even better if you can do it on 2 different legs. I know you can't see this like I did earlier. And maybe stomp your foot on the beat. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear it at least? And when I do my right hand, I'm stomping my right foot. 1, 2, 3. When I do my left hand for the second beat, I'm stomping my left foot. You can march around your house all week doing this. Showing off my fancy shirt. Okay, so when you got that accomplished, there's another step. The next step is to change sounds with one of the hands. This brings in a third element. So, put my knee up here again. So how about my chair here? One hand on my knee, one hand on the chair. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the third element is the quarter note triplet. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. We also have triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Back to the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 3 things going on at once. It's not possible to think of more than one thing at a time, really, with our rational brain. All right. Getting out of breath by holding my knee up. Now, so if you change sounds, that's one more level it adds. Then the next level would be doing the other hand in the air. So this gets even more complicated. So it's my leg up again. I got on the chair. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Here we go. I'm tapping my foot too. Can you hear it? You got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, da, 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 quarter note triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, boom. All right? When you can accomplish that and get some speed on it, what you're doing is actually deepening your sense of rhythm and hardwiring your brain to be able to feel not just rhythms, but feel the beat. You'll have less stuff in the way. So it's a great exercise. I highly recommend you do it. If you can't, keep doing it until you can. and you'll have a better sense of them. I've had people in bands that I knew they weren't really good listeners, and they couldn't do this. They're too busy worrying about their own parts. Once you kind of get relaxed with the beat, you become part of the whole, and you become a better bandmate too. So, take a run with it.